Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Shiba Inu changed the game. Get ready for this. SHIB News. Shiba Inu is a meme coin that was ideally created to capitalize on the hype around Dogecoin in 2020. However, besides its status as one of the best meme coins in the market, Shiba Inu has seen its use value over time. For instance, the Shiba Inu team recently introduced a Layer 2 solution that will help scale, making it even better for everyday payments. Shiba Inu also recently introduced a metaverse, giving it a footing in a fast-growing market. In this video, we will talk about Shiba Inu changed the game. Get ready for this. SHIB News. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Recent price fluctuations in Bitcoin and the overall crypto market have been due to poor macroeconomic headwinds and recent bankruptcies in the crypto world. Even though other cryptocurrencies are falling, Shiba Inu's trading value has soared up to 60%. Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token that entered the market in August 2020. While it was only created to ride on the growing popularity of Dogecoin then, Shiba Inu became one of the best-performing cryptocurrencies ever created, going up by over 48 million% by the end of 2021. The trading volume, which refers to the total amount transferred between buyers and sellers, might suggest investor positioning, although not often. According to CoinMarketCap data, 27,747,491,040,661 SHIB, or 27 trillion tokens worth $332,414,104, were swapped in the last 24 hours. SHIB was up 0.53% since the last day at $0.000012. Satoshi Kusama shared a recent meeting between the SHIB development team and Unification in the tweet. After that, the meeting signaled that the SHIB update was entering its final stages. Although Satoshi did reiterate that the update is slated to arrive soon, it follows previous statements of similar rhetoric. Earlier this week, U-Today revealed that the SHIB community released Discord messages that Kusama stated he was putting a nice bow on it, potentially referencing Shibarium. Another major SHIB developer, Tropheus, also stated a similar message in the same report, stating that following upgrades to the Shiba Inu website, they will execute docs then beta. Conversely, the conversations about Shibarium's beta release in 2023 have the entire community filled with optimism. Subsequently, the second largest meme coin on the market rose over 3% following Shibarium speculation. Correspondingly, it became one of the 10 most purchased coins by large Ethereum wallet owners, according to U-Today. Shiba Inu is said to take the fashion industry by storm as reports emerged that an Italian fashion designer would make it a part of his latest collection. Shiba Inu has already entered mainstream business activities, with multiple crypto payment processors accepting SHIB, such as Welly's SHIB-themed fast food restaurant, according to a Binance report. This time, the meme coin is making its way into the fashion industry with the Shiba Inu-themed clothing collection. The Italian fashion designer John Richmond took to Twitter earlier to reveal his later collection. Richmond tweeted a street-style design with the word Shiba on the shirts and pants, while the varsity jacket had the designer's initials JR written on them. Richmond said that the picture was a sneak peek of the collection, according to Binance. Additionally, the designer had previously posted a picture of a hoodie with the hashtags #ShibaFashion among a flurry of other tags. Richmond is also a prominent designer, with his clothing worn by the likes of legendary rapper Snoop Dogg. Interestingly, the account has a cartoonized Shiba Inu dog breed as its profile picture, not the official logo of Shiba Inu. While Shiba Inu and John Richmond announced their partnership in 2022, with the designer showcasing his SHIB clothing at fashion events such as the Milan Fashion Week, the designer is yet to reveal a launch date for the SHIB-themed clothing collection. Shiba Inu's price performance is largely driven by hype, and the more exposure the coin gets, the higher the chances that the meme coin could rally. The report said this is where partnerships like the one with John Richmond become important. Richmond's designs help to put the cryptocurrency in front of an audience that could likely become crypto investors, the report added. Days after news broke out of Amazon's rumored unveiling of its Web3 initiative, reports say that what the project will look like when it materializes remains a mystery. According to a report by CoinDesk, Amazon's project may involve gaming, an NFT marketplace, or something related to them. The report further noted that the regulatory complexity and uncertainty of doing this would kill the project before it begins. or Amazon has the size and scale to make the market on this and bring the Web3 economy into the mainstream. Additionally, the report said that major blue-chip corporations generally avoided Web3 due to legal uncertainties. Sure, there have been efforts by payment companies like Visa and MasterCard to integrate stablecoins into their networks. Many crypto nodes are hosted on Amazon's cloud service AWS, and big tech and TradeFi firms are regular investors in the crypto economy, the report said. However, they are still stakeholders in the Web3 economy, embracing the ethos of decentralized ownership, regulatory uncertainty, and a lack of clarity interferences. The report added further that Amazon's efforts could be transformational if they succeed, which will mean addressing the regulatory issues. The crypto token is still on a course to have gained more than 43% this month, which would be its best month since October 2021, when it rocketed a stunning 830% higher. Since Shiba Inu's break above its 200-day simple moving average earlier this month, the first sustained break above this level since 2021, the bulls have been getting louder. However, they should be aware that earlier this month, SHIB saw a significant bearish technical development. SHIB confirmed a downtrend linking the August, October 22, and January 2023 highs, which suggests the cryptocurrency's near-term bias could be to the downside. If this week's macro events weigh on crypto, then SHIB traders should watch how the crypto token reacts to the $0.000011 support area. According to CryptoNews.com analyst John Izich, a break above the pattern would open the door to a test of the October and August peaks at the $0.000015 and $0.000018 level respectively. Izich highlights data from Into the Block showing that there are more SHIB tokens with unrealized profit than those experiencing unrealized losses, and at the break-even point combined. According to Izich, Into the Block's IO map model shows that investors would be willing to back a Shiba Inu price rally as opposed to selling the token, especially with the launch of the Shibarium protocol on the horizon. For reference, the IO map model at the end of last week showed that 69.95% of the SHIB token supply is in the money, while 27.15% was out of the money, and about 3.2% at the break-even point. In the longer term, and based on expectations that Shiba Inu's developers will continue to boost the coin's utility via the expansion of the Shiba Inu Web3 ecosystem, analysts at Business2 Community are bullish on SHIB in 2023. The asset will be a critical part of the Shibaverse and SHIBASWAP, and these use cases could help drive it to $0.000040. They argue a roughly 250% rally from current levels. With Shiba Inu's developers still working on their metaverse and decentralized exchange, and Shiba Inu's community expecting to grow even further, we estimate that the SHIB price could cross $0.0001 by the end of 2025. They added. Shiba Inu lead developer Satoshi Kusama recently sent a cryptic update on the upcoming launch of Shibarium, the highly anticipated Layer 2 network. In a recent Telegram message, Kusama urges users to keep popcorn on the ready. The message has sparked speculation among the Shiba Inu community that the launch of Shibarium could be taking place soon. As reported by You Today, the chief architect of Shiba Inu also recently issued another mysterious statement regarding the impending release of Shibarium, mentioning a heart-shaped box in his Twitter status message. The speculation about the launch date being on Valentine's Day has added more thrill to the launch, and the community eagerly anticipates seeing what Kusama and his team have prepared for them. As the launch date approaches, the Shiba Inu community is waiting for further announcements from the development squad. Shibarium is an exciting development for the SHIB community. It could significantly impact the adoption and use of the token due to the Layer 2 solution's ability to provide faster and cheaper transactions. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.